A limited number of progressive thinking ranchers will allow release on their land. This is one of the last stances for the prairie dog. But the prairie dog needs open space. Perhaps some land put aside for the prairie dog and its natural predators to live in peace. There are very few relocation sites available. How many animals to see sit down and cool their feet off like this prairie dog after digging burrows all day, providing shelter and nesting for well over 100 different animals and countless insects. The prairie dog is more rapidly disappearing, and so are the predators and other animals that use their burrows. The prairie dog mounds you see in the background used to cover millions of acres. Now only a few small patches of land are left. They are being pushed out into the streets and highways. Constant plowing of fields and construction and exterminating methods such as poison and propane are all taking their toll. Prairie dog is a keystone species and is very crucial to the ecosystem. Bringing back the natural balance of the prairie dog is not a simple mission. Land must be put aside and be protected, making relocation a reality. But the mission is possible if people are willing to understand and help make a difference. Thank you, Prairie Dog Coalition protectors and friends, for your donation and continued support, which has enabled us to purchase this badly needed truck for rescue efforts. But time is running out for the prairie dog and all the animals that depend on them. What's your choice? Would you restore or would you destroy? I know what my decision would be. And a special thanks to my dog Haley for traveling many thousands of miles and many motel rooms. We even ran into near tornado-like conditions on the way home. Even getting rolled by a mule. Haley, you're a real trooper. Sit, sit. Good girl. It's been a real experience of a lifetime for me. One I truly will never forget. Oh yeah, I'll be coming back, armed with knowledge and knowing I can make a difference. Well heck, I already have.